So you think you're a hot shot and you want to one-shot your opponent, leaving them on the ground in tears with broken ankles, wondering why they ever decided to play with you. But don't you worry, because in this video we're going to show you the 5 most essential drills to one-shotting your opponent from the badminton service receive. So make sure to subscribe and watch to the end of this video. Our first drill is going to be the iconic Peter Gade fake. Now it's going to be off the receive, so when they serve, it's going to be starting on our forehand. What we're going to do is take a step up with our forehand, have it look like we're going to be hitting a straight push shot. But at the very last minute, we're going to loosen our wrists and fingers, and it's going to go into a cross-court net. Another variation of this is you come up, and then you loosen your fingers and you grip it for a cross-court push. And it's going to look something like this. Second drill is the same as the first one, still the iconic Peter Gade fake. But instead of doing the forehand fake like this time we're going to be coming up with our backhand, looking like we're going to be hitting a straight push. But at the very last minute, we're going to be coming back with our racket and hitting a cross-court shot. So it's going to be straight into a cross-court net, and it's going to be looking something like this. Third drill is going to go back to what we learned in the first shot, where we do the straight push into the cross-court fake. But this is going to be a triple fake. So we're going to be hitting a straight into a cross-court fake, but at the very last minute, we're going to go back into our straight shot again, into a triple fake, and it's going to look something like this. Our fourth drill is going to be the triple fake, but on our backhand side. So our backhand side is going to be triple fake, just like our forehand. So we're going to start off looking like we're going to hit that cross-court push, and then we're going to fake into our shot into this direction. And then at the very last moment, while we're in this direction, we're going to go back to our original plan of hitting the cross-court by pushing forward in this direction and slicing outwards. Last drill is going to be a surprise attack body shot from an underhand position from their serve. So when they serve over, we're going to come up in whatever position we are, it can be forehand or backhand, and just push directly into their body very quickly. And it's going to surprise them because underhand, they're going to be expecting a net or a lift. So when it's going to be coming that quickly at them, they're going to be hitting a bad shot, and then you can use that to put it away. The only downside of this is once they're ready, they're going to kill you right away, but you can use it maybe once or twice throughout the game to try to one-shot your opponent. Those are the 5 most essential drills and shots you'll need to one-shot your opponent from the badminton singles serve receive. Of course, it's probably super unrealistic to this all this time, but once in a while, you can, tell your friends, I told you so. So if you want to watch more tutorials like this, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what video you want to see next.